What's up, Luca Tailgating Challenge here, checking out a new product right here. We're gonna unbox this right here. It looks beautiful right off the top, and there's some things in here for the tailgater or home gator in your life. Let's find out now. All right, let's see, the local gift box. What the whiskey, coffee, and chocolate gift box contains. Smoke roasted Java maple whiskey coffee, whiskey maple barbecue sauce, orange peel bitters, dehydrated orange citrus cocktail garnishes, smoked old-fashioned bitters infused cocktail cubes, bourbon whiskey jerky from Boozy Jerky, chocolate bourbon caramel, maple bourbon pecans, bluegrass bourbon candle, 82% bourbon cask aged chocolate bar, two 10-ounce crystal old-fashioned whiskey bourbon glasses.